South Dakota 79, headed out of Rapid City, going to Custer State Park, and going to go see the bison, or what people like to call buffalo. But we're just rolling through the hills. Another beautiful day, 74 degrees. We've had really good weather on this trip so far, and just blessed to be doing what we're doing.
Amen.
Wanted to video a little bit of these rolling hills. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I definitely, I can't speak highly enough of the beauty of this area. I know I'd almost want to come back up here in the wintertime to see what it looks like, just because it's so beautiful right now. That's the worst time of year for them, so I'd like to look at it or see it or wonder what's going on. So maybe one day. Cool thing about it, coming out early in the morning, there's usually not a ton of bikes out. We're not super early this morning, but we're earlier than most. But
That's perfect right now.
Yeah, it is. But we're also on the highway as we get to Custer Park. That's why we wanted to kind of get up and hit this a little early, for the pure fact of the amount of people that come out. Usually 11 to 12 o'clock till 5 or 6 in the evening at least. They are usually, that's where everybody wants to go ride and see. So if you really want to, if you have a big crowd and you really want to go, you probably want to get up early and go do your rides. Again, just good times, great riding. Good company, I think.
Absolutely.
We were able to see some friends yesterday. Lonnie, Josh, guys, ladies. Nice seeing you guys yesterday at the Buffalo Chip. Hope you guys have a great trip. Time you're seeing this, we'll probably all be home. But you guys be safe. Custer State Park, a little on the hill back there, you can see where the American flag is, and a little chapel where graveside is. Being up on a hill like that, it's just so pretty to see. We're about 10 miles out of Custer, I believe, and just beautiful land, great farmland up here, it seems like. I would dare to say, other than fruit, you could probably grow about anything you'd want to. Custer. So we're made it to Custer State Park, and we are going to roll in.
Good morning. Great. How are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Twin Throttle Travels.
Thank you, Les.
Thank you. Have a good day. I got us going to the visitor center to start out.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. I don't think we done that last time.
I thought it'd be cool to go check it out and see.
100%. Man, I'm all for it. Today is just for fun, buddy. And us enjoying this beautiful park and try not to get run over by bison. So just for the record, I guess by the time this film comes out or whatever else, it'll be well after the rally, but there's already been several fatalities for people wrecking. And you really want to know the truth, we ran into a couple bikers eating supper the other night, and they kind of told the story the way it was. If you come up here, this is not the time to learn how to ride your bike. You can learn how to ride up here. It's absolutely beautiful and it's a clear time of year, but if you're just getting started on your bike, just a big rally, whether it's up here, Daytona Beach, Myrtle Beach, Arizona Bike Week, any of those rides or that are rallies, that's not the place to learn to ride a motorcycle. That's not the place to learn how to ride in groups. That's not the place to learn what to do and what not to do. You need to be doing that before, while you're learning. I would say you need to be riding at least a year at minimum before you head off to one of these. If you live in a state or an area that has a lot of straight roads, straight riding, this is not where you want to come to learn how to do this with all these people. You can come up here and learn, come a week or two early, come a week or two late, and that's fine, but there's been a lot of wrecks and fatalities. It seemed like with people riding two up that's not used to riding two up, and people that are young or really old starting to learn to ride a bike or a new bike, and that seems to be the story that's been told. So just an FYI for all of those out there that are they're learning to ride and ride. And I encourage you, get on two wheels and ride, but don't let a big rally like this be where you're first learning how to ride or first riding with groups. It's just not the place. You know, ride safe, ride at your pace, what you can do. If you're slower, you need to be at the back of the pack. You ride a little more aggressive, you need to be at the front of the pack. That's kind of the way it rolls. That's my little snippet for the day for riders. So 16A to the west, we are going through Custer Park, and we're going to go through the visitor center. This is their first time that we've done this. Usually we don't do the visitor center stuff just because we stay out on the road, but thought this would be a fun little experience this time. Park up there on the...
Yep. Getting the shade?
Yeah. Nice little visitor center. Right? We just came back from the left.
Yeah, but it's another road that goes over.
Well, the good news is we got a pass. We can always come back around. So one of the important things about that is if you don't know the story of the bison and the park, it's I kind of shared a little bit of it on there, but also I took a couple pictures. The family had a small bunch of cattle left, and the park actually bought them from them, and brought them back from, I think, 5 or 15 or something to 50. Wound up being at the most, it was 2,500, and then they started selling them off because the park couldn't sustain more than that. Man, that's a beautiful house. That's the game lodge that they have, but it's the resort that you can stay at. Got a restaurant in it, and also I do believe you can stay there. Talking back at the park entrance about the resort. That's it. That's absolutely beautiful.
What a beautiful park.
Yeah, if you're an outdoorsman and you've never been up here, you definitely should come.
That's what she said.
Hiking and trail riding and trails are what you love to do. This is definitely should be on your bucket list. Camping, campsites. Tell you what, it's good to see all the victories on the road this year. I think I've seen more this year than I did 5 years ago. Just the amount of nice people that's been out. We've had a great experience with about everybody we've encountered. It's been a great group of people we've been around.
Yes, it has.
Thank you, South Dakota, for being a gracious host to us, and people of Sturgis and the biker community in general. It's just been a great rally. Doesn't matter what you ride. We are all up here for the same reason, and enjoying this beautiful area and having a good time.
I have seen more older riders at this event than I've ever seen at any other event. And it's encouraging. I mean, it is so cool to see these guys that have been coming here for so many years and they still ride.
Yep.
Where do you want to go?
Don't matter to me. Sullivan Lake. Let's go right. Yeah, we can always come back through this way. I don't know how it circles around, but we can go hit that Sullivan Lake and take a good picture there. Be a nice view. That's where we were trying to go through the other day. That is now part of the park that wasn't before.
A lot prettier weather.
Yeah, well, like I said, it's been a lot of rain up here. Everybody was like, yeah, it's so much greener this year. So that's been great. I mean, it's good for harvesting, good for the community. As long as it ain't raining and hailing on my bike, we're good. contemplating what he did wrong in life. Nothing. You're on a motorcycle in the middle of the hill. You're good. Something about when people see that camera rolling, buddy. I love it.
Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Yes, you are. When Throttle travels, we'll get you there. I grew up on a lake, and there'll always be something about living off the lake that is be a part of me.
Man, this is so nice.
It is. One of the things about the park area too is if you're looking for cell phone signal, good luck. You are with nature out here.